Okay, so we're way up on this fortress. So this video is kind of overlooking the city. There's Sao Paulo ruins. There's I'm not sure this one. Oh, it's like an apartment. I can see into somebody's well, into their balcony. Looks like they had a kitchen in their balcony. Anyways, let's park down here, and we're gonna be walking down this way towards Sao Paulo ruins. But there's kind of some cool stuff up here that we definitely want to see, because there's some cannons up there, and we kind of get to see this view just for people. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Just for people to have a little bit of reference points for this video. There's a beautiful park right there, of course. You can see some people walking. And then these buildings right here are all the Macau side. And then there's a river. I don't know if you can see that river, but it's like right there. And then that river separates the Macau side. This is all Macau. And then over on the other side is China. And if I want to get into China, there's Sao Paulo ruins right there. Really historical building that's in almost all the tourist literature. And very well visited. Usually there's like just flows of people just going in and out. But right now it's COVID time, so there's not many people, which is makes it a great time to walk around and film. And so there's China over there. There's no way to get over there. It'd be illegal to take a boat or to swim or do whatever. You have to go through the immigration point, and it's way over there. Or you have to go way over there, which is like Taipa side. So there's only two ways, this way and this way. And it looks like we have a little bit of a caretaker in here as well. You can see another caretaker right there with a conical hat walking right there. So pretty cool little spot. And we're gonna keep on walking. Pont 16. Pont 16 is basically where the boats used to come in a long time ago. But now they're all moved from Pont 16, which is there, way over to this other side. And then this other side is basically, it's like more convenient to come in and out from Hong Kong and from other parts of China. So I think this one is like kind of low, but well, you know, there's so much engineering now and things like that as well. Got all these beautiful park benches to sit at as well. And then we're gonna keep walking down that way, but we can also walk down these little ways. So we're just gonna kind of show what they look like. Oh, so yeah, you can go either way. It's really beautiful, actually. Yep. So yeah, we could walk that way. Let's just kind of see. So yeah, you have this really beautiful spot right here. And you got all the way down. So we could actually go all the way around this as well. But I don't think we will though. But we could. But I think instead we're gonna go down. And we'll just follow this all the way down. Okay, so basically we have Macau Tower, Grand Lisboa, and then just kind of have this. Hello, how are you doing? So, should I got a YouTube channel? Oh, this is a YouTube channel.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Macau.
Yeah. So we're gonna go all the way down, and yeah, this is a pretty popular place for
First step.
yeah. I'll show you these steps. They're really narrow. They're all uneven too, so we have to kind of watch our step because could go down pretty easily. And there's some good guardrails in here. So if let's just kind of keep on going down. Whoa! See how these steps are. So we're gonna keep on going down, and then you have all these beautiful trees too. These big banyan trees everywhere. And you have a little park so people can exercise. These are these beautiful banyan trees. Let's just see, this is written in Chinese and Portuguese. And
enjoy.
Thank you so much. You too. So there's the kind of beautiful banyan trees, right? And we're just gonna keep on going all the way down and keep exploring beautiful flowers everywhere. And then, okay, behind us we have the, this is basically a museum up there, and then we came down these stairs right here, right? So now we're kind of coming down to the base, and then there's another park that people can walk around too. So there's actually quite a few parks that people can explore. So we're probably going to explore that in a minute. And then check out these trees too. Those trees are pretty cool looking. So it looks like they kind of rooted down from this branch and kind of connected somehow down there. And then we're gonna follow this in a little minute, and then we're going to go all the way down. But let's just go here first. There's a public bathroom and then Sao Paulo ruins, and you can go down this way, and then kind of rooftop with some cool stuff here. And then also, I just want to do this one real quick too. This is, if you can see these ladies, they're standing on this one right here, so you can also step on this. Let me do it real quick. So these are for kind of circulation for your feet as well. So okay, we're going to end this one right here. So we have the backdrop of the fortress, we have Sao Paulo ruins here, and then we have this little park here where people exercise, and they can also do some circulation stuff. So we'll end it there. Chiquinha.